Welcome to Ganga Choti, one of the most breathtaking mountain peaks in Bagh Azad Kashmir. Standing at an elevation of around 3,044 meters, Ganga Choti offers a spectacular view of lush green valleys, rolling hills, and distant snow-capped mountains. The journey to this beautiful destination begins with a scenic drive through pine forests and winding mountain roads that make the trip just as exciting as the destination itself. As you reach the top, cool mountain air and endless panoramic views create a peaceful and unforgettable experience. Ganga Choti is a paradise for nature lovers, hikers, and photographers. The area is famous for its vibrant green meadows, colorful wildflowers, and breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in shades of orange and gold. On clear days, visitors can even witness a sea of clouds flowing beneath the mountain peaks, creating a magical atmosphere. Whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a moment of peace in nature, Ganga Choti is a perfect destination. Its natural beauty and calm surroundings make it one of the most iconic and must-visit places in Azad Kashmir. If you ever plan to explore the hidden gems of Pakistan, make sure Ganga Choti is on your list, a place